Hello everyone, welcome to University Study Guide YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about one of the recent notifications that has come out from Madras School of Economics, it is MSc. So it is the PhD admission notification for the academic year 2021 and 2022. So you can get the stipend up to 20,000 per month. In this video we are going to discuss about all the aspect about of this PhD admission notifications. So before that, if you like this video, please press the subscribe button and also like this video. Along with that, please press the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notifications in our for our future videos. So let us go and see what is the notification is all about. So you can see the notifications here. It is the Madras School of Economics. They recognize as Institute of Special Importance by the Government of Tamil Nadu, included in the UGC in the list of institutions established under the State Legislate Act. Advertisement for the admission to full-time or part-time PhD program academic year 2021-2022. So as you can see, this full-time or part-time PhD program is for economics or economics with interdisciplinary subjects. So you can check the eligibility here. It is the master's or MPhil degree in any of the faculties of economics, finance, management science, social science from UGC AICTE approved institutions, including Institute of National and State Importance, and the candidate must have at least 55% mark in aggregate or conversation for the equivalent grade to the percentage. A 5% relaxation mark all will be given from 55% to 50% or an equivalent relaxation. So the relaxation of 55 to 50% or an equivalent relaxation of grade may be allowed to the participant from SC, ST, MBC, OBC or MBC differently abled. So these eligibility marks of 55% or equivalent grade in a point scale whenever wherever grading system is followed. Okay. So what will be the award of degree? Awarded by the Madras School of Economics under its degree grading granting power as per the MSc Act 2020. So let us see what is the discipline for the PhD degree. We have already discussed it is economics or interdisciplinary between economics or any of the disciplines listed here, that is finance, management or social science. You can get also the research fellowship of 20,000 per month for a period of 3 years from the date of joining. So let us see what how the admission will proceed. That means the admission procedure. Only shortlisted applicants will be called for the admission procedure. Candidates with UGC, JRF, NET, SCT, GATE, CUCET, CAT score will be given preference for the shortlisting. So those who do not have any of the mentioned eligibility test score have to additional appear for a written exam conducted by the MSc prior to the interview. If you do not have any of the score, MSc will have a separate written examination before the interview. Shortlisted applicants will appear for the personal interview before a panel of faculty of MSc. So the candidates will be interviewed on the core courses of the discipline of the last degree and the statement of the research proposal submitted along with the application. You need to also have a research proposal. If you are preparing for the PhD, you need to have a research proposal. Before the interview, all supporting documents will be verified, and the candidates shall have selected on the basis of a 30% from the last qualified degree exam as per the eligibility, 40% from the entrance exam, and 30% of the interview. So based on three parameters, you will be selected. That is 30% of the last qualified degree exam, okay, and then 40% of the entrance exam score, and 30% of the interview. So in the addition of all this, a cumulative of at least 50% in the entrance test and minimum 50% in the interview is required. Okay. So research area will be preference will be given to the candidates interested in the research areas like banking and finance, development of economics, environmental economics, industrial organization, and microeconomics. If you are interested for the PhD, then you should look into this topic. So this topic research proposals will be given priority during the admission. So it is both available full time and part time. So part time, if you are applying, then marking in a organization public or private within or outside Chennai should be and should provide employer's letter and no objection letter along with that. 75% attendance during the coursework is mandatory. So after successful completion of the coursework, the rules mandate for the submission of 6 months report and the periodic meeting with the supervisors are to be adhered as per the MSc rules. So duration of the PhD will be maximum 5 years, and for the part time it is 6 years. So full time scholars will be permitted to avail 30 days leave in a year, and PhD attendance register has to be signed in all working days of the institution, and any additional leave has to be prior permission from the supervisor or dean of the research. So you can check all the details from here. Then how to apply? We'll have an application form. We'll check into this, and the field of particulars before to be sent before 30th June 2021 to the this person or email ID. Okay, there are two email IDs mentioned. We can check the last date of submission of application 30th June. Written test will be on 16th July. Interview date will be it will be an online mode only. You need not to travel. It is on 19th July, and date of joining of the PhD program will be 2nd August. So let us see the application form. This is the application form. So you need to put name, age, your gender, address, examination details, your degree qualifications details, work experience if you have anything. So along with that, the research proposal and the statement of purpose. So this is the two most important thing. In the research proposal, please attach a short write-up describing the researchable problem, motivations to undertake the specific area of research, re research approach, and proposed methodology. So maximum 1000 word, and please attach the same as separate in the PDF file. So the research proposal will be the key on basis of which your selection will be done. Along with that, the entrance, your previous marks, and the interview. So this is all about the PhD application form. So if you like this video, please press the like button, and please subscribe our channel so that you will get all the videos updates, and do not forget to press the bell icon, and please follow all our social media handles for the latest notifications, and comment this video and any of the particular topic you want to see the video in the future, and also visit universitystudyguide.com for the latest news and updates. Thank you for watching this video.